Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn one more new tool inside the Photoshop. It will call healing brush tools. Mostly designers they using this tool for replacing, repairing, for the decorating things inside the images. To do this exercise, I'm going to use two images. First you watch how I'm doing, and then you do some practical according to this and with this tool. Okay, first I'm going to open two images. I'm going to file, open, and selecting these two tools. Okay. Upon these two images, then okay, what we're going to do? I'm going to draw this avocado bowl inside this avocado juice image. To do this exercise, first you duplicate this image, because this is called destination image, because we are going to do this one inside here. Because of that we are calling for this image destination image, and for this we are calling source image, because this is the source we are going to use. Okay, what we have to do, first we will duplicate our destination image like that. I'm going to not explain about the duplicating, how it's doing. You must know if you are doing practice. Okay, I already duplicate my destination image. So then after that what I'm going to do, I want to arrange these two images first. To do that, go to window, arrange, and two up vertically, like this, two up vertically. Now I arrange both the images two up vertically in here, because I want to see both the image. That's why I'm a little small. Now I can see properly. Now select the healing brush tool in here. This one, healing brush tool, and then check the property of the healing brush tools. Here, size you can reduce according to how you want it, and then hardness should be in the 0, because we don't want any hardness. Right? Okay. Now, as I said, this is our source image, and this one our destination image. So then we have to draw this image inside in here. To do that, I already selected my healing brush tool. Then after that, select your source image, then press the Alt key like that and select somewhere inside your source image like that. Then release it. Then after that, select your destination image. Now I'm going to draw inside here. Another important thing, once you click, don't release your mouse point until you finishing your work in here. Okay. Now we are going to draw this one in here. If you are interested with the Photoshop, you do more practicals, then only you will become familiar with these tools and the Photoshop. And also you must have a good patience to do these things. If you are very like a hurry person to do everything, it's not easy to do this kind of work for you, because you are okay. This is okay for me, because actually I want to show this one for you, how to do this vector. I'm going to release my mouse point because it's almost done. Okay, just I release it. It's processing now. 3-5 seconds will be done. This is our practical today, but I want to do some extra things inside in here, because remove that like a white area. I'll select this burn tool and highlight 104. That's okay for me. And exposure a bit more like that. Okay, so then because I want to do some works inside in this area like this. I want now you must understand, you can see some changes while I'm doing these things, so the brightness will, because I want to match this object inside the source image right there. This of that. There's so many ways to do these things, but now I want to finish this fast because these extra things. My target was today to do work with the healing brush tools, not with this tool. It's almost okay for there. Okay, this is the today exercise. Use this method and do your practical. Now you must know what is the use of these tools. Even if you want to create some things from your destination image inside the destination image, it's also possible. Example, if you want to create this part somewhere else there, you can do that. Now I think you have idea about the healing brush tools. Go ahead and do more practice to become expert with this. Alright, thank you. This is the lesson today. Note down important things like that.